In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the securityhealthsso.dll bad image error in Windows 11. This error can be frustrating, especially if you're not sure where to start troubleshooting, but don't worry, we're here to help you step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your system running smoothly once again. To begin with, we'll utilize a tool built into Windows called the System File Checker, or SFC for short. This utility checks for system file corruption and repairs it. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open Command Prompt with administrative privileges. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start button, then selecting Windows Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt Admin from the list. With Command Prompt open, type the command sfc/scanno and hit Enter. This will start the scanning process and you'll see the system doing its work. It's important to be patient here, as this scan might take some time to complete. Let it run its course and avoid interrupting it to ensure all issues are detected and repaired appropriately. Once the scan is completed, you should restart Windows to make sure any changes can take good effect properly. If after restarting your computer the error persists, don't worry. We have another robust tool at our disposal. This time we will use the Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool, known as DISM. This tool helps repair a faulty Windows image, potentially resolving deeper system issues. Again, you'll need to open Command Prompt as an administrator. Once open, type out the following command: DISM, online, cleanup image, settings, restore health, and then press Enter. As before, this process may take some time, so make sure to let it finish undisturbed. It's crucial that every part of this process is allowed to complete, as terminating it prematurely could leave your system in an unfavorable state. After the DISM tool has completed repairing the image, go ahead and restart your PC once more. This restart ensures that all modifications made by both SFC and DISM are properly applied. By following these steps, you should successfully address the SSO dll bad image error. Remember that maintaining healthy system files is crucial for a well-functioning computer. If, after completing these steps, you continue experiencing issues, you might want to consider seeking additional professional support to explore and resolve any underlying problems. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides like this one. Until next time, take care and happy computing.